Welcome to North Oakville in Bronte Creek, one of the most amazing neighborhoods in all of Oakville. Here at 3246 Saltaire, Cres, my brand new listing. It's a beautiful bungalow with 4-bedroom and 3 full bath. But you know what's really unique about this home is that it's an accessible home. So in the garage, we have a lift to take someone in a wheelchair or mobility issues up to the top level. In the front bedroom, we have a zero gravity lift to help them out of bed, to get them into chairs if necessary. 36-inch doors throughout the main floor make it a great opportunity for someone who has mobility issues, someone who's older, someone who's in a wheelchair, someone who needs that capacity for that stuff around the house. You know what? Let's go on a tour. Thanks for coming on tour here today at 3246 Saltaire Crescent. As you saw, it's a beautiful bungalow and this could fit so many different people. If you have mobility issues, you need a wheelchair access, or maybe just someone who's downsizing who wants main floor living, this house is perfect for all those families. So if you want more information or to come on a private tour, message me today. I'd be happy to provide you with that tour and information. Follow me on social media at #HomeJamesRemax. Help us share this video and help us find a family that could really use this home. Have yourself a beautiful day.